We will go to Dr. Rina Mustaffa of UPM, and she'll be talking on multimedia information retrieval.
Assalamualaikum, good afternoon. Alright, I'm Rina from University of Malaysia. So I'll be presenting Information Retrieval and Knowledge Management Working Group to present a topic entitled Content-Based Image Retrieval. Okay, just a little bit introduction. Alright, the first generation of image retrieval is actually retrieving images based on text. So, for example, if we have a picture here, probably a person might think of describing it as beautiful scenery or blue sea or maybe a sunny day, or perhaps in different languages, for example like sampan or indahnya ciptaan Tuhan, right? So this is not very satisfactory as image text descriptions tends to be incomplete and inconsistent due to differences in interpretations, languages, etc. Right, so instead of using text, CBR is actually retrieving images based on its content, for example like color, shape, texture, right? Okay, so what CBR can do actually, a lot. So this is just to highlight a few of the fields that we can actually do. For medicine, for example, to determine the degree of disease or to know the actions which has been taken for previous cases. And then in security, for example, for criminal records. Entertainment, for Astro, for example, to manage all the millions of video collections. All right, and also in education and research to actually help you with your collections. So some colleagues of mine do have lots of prawn species, for example, in their collection for aquaculture, for example. Okay, so the trends of CBIR. Yeah, with the era of internet and also all these media, social medias, we're talking about Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. So there are actually millions of images being uploaded each year. Each minute. Sorry, I was looking at the time actually. All right. So obviously, we're looking for a mechanism in CBR that can actually work in a very fast way, real-time manner, also effective, able to retrieve whatever that a user wants. And also it has to be generalized, it can be generalized to accommodate various domains. And also it should be able to be scalable in the sense that, because we're talking about the big data era nowadays. And also semantic gap has been on for quite a while. So we are trying to bridge the gap in the sense that how do we actually tell the computer to retrieve images of golf course. On the left is actually golf course, and on the right is actually forest, instead of just any images containing greenery, right? So it's quite hard to tell a computer to do that. And of course, the future trends moving towards mobile-based applications. We do have healthcare monitoring application. Probably we can come up with application to help in the field work, for example, for species identification. Okay, and of course we work very closely with other disciplines, for example like computer vision, pattern recognition, AI, and also of course to have other fields for the day-to-day routine. For example like in medical, retail, and others. Right. So okay, I have another 1 minute. For more information, you can actually go to the links. You can actually screen capture. The first is actually my personal link, and the second is actually a link pointing to the research group that I belong to in my institution, which is Digital Information Computation and Retrieval in UPM. So there's a lot of projects going on where each of us actually working on various elements. We're talking about some working on audio, video, text, and also image. So feel free to drop by at our booth, IRCAM, so that we can have chat more on this, right? So thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Rina Mustaffa of UPM.